welcome back to Healthy Kids Inc. We are here again with more recipes for you and your family, and this is the prep video. This is where we show you how to portion, how to organize all your meals in advance so that your mealtime will be cut in half during the weeknight. So the 5 meals that we're going to feature for you this week, we're going to kick Monday off with a blackened tilapia and a fava bean salad. Tuesday is going to be zucchini and quinoa burgers with a bok choy salad. Wednesday is going to be a lemony orzo with a veggie salad and chicken. Thursday is going to be a taco pizza, and then Friday is going to be a really easy veggie and hummus hoagie. That takes care of all of our meals, and let's show you how we prep them. On Monday, we're going to kick off our week with a blackened tilapia and a fava bean salad. So we always like to start with some of our more challenging meals first. It usually works well because you've got a little bit more energy and you're a little bit fresher early in the week. So blackened tilapia is what we're going to kick this off with, and it's real simple to prep. So all we're going to do for the fish, we're just going to have our tilapia fillets ready and thawing out. So these are here for us. If you want to go the extra step, you could go ahead and mix up all the ingredients and spices that you're going to need to go ahead and put on your tilapia. That's going to be a mix of cumin, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, a host of spices that go along with that, in addition to a little bit of brown sugar. That's all that you're going to need for the fish. Now for the fava bean salad, here's everything that you need. You're going to have your small fava beans that you can just buy out of the can. In addition, we also have diced up some of our onion. We also have some diced up cucumber that we went ahead and made in advance. And then also some of our diced tomatoes. Now we also have in here a little bit of our fresh parsley. And then lastly, we have a little bit of our garlic that we're going to go ahead and mince up the day that we make this. Lastly, we'll be adding a little bit of lemon and lime, and that takes care of everything that we need to pull off the entire dish. So I hope that you enjoy Monday's meal. On Tuesday, we're featuring a zucchini quinoa burger with a bok choy salad. Yet again, we are trying to get as many vegetables as we can into your meals this week, and this is a great one to start with. So we're going to go ahead and start with the zucchini quinoa burger first, and all we have to do to get this one ready is to start with a small zucchini. So I took a small zucchini and I went ahead and grated that up. It's ready for us, and we're going to be able to go ahead and just quickly start making our burgers the night that we're ready to do that. Now, in addition, we're also going to be using a can of our chickpeas, and we're going to be using some of our quinoa as well. So we'll be cooking up our quinoa the night that we make our burgers. We also have some of our diced onion that we went ahead and got up in advance, and then we also have our garlic and a little bit of our Dijon mustard. That's going to serve as the basis for everything we need for the burger. Now, moving on to the bok choy salad. So all we have to do here is simply buy some of your baby bok choy from the grocery store, and then we're just going to go ahead and clean that and slice it up. So the salad is already ready. In addition, we're also going to be using some of our onions here. These are just simply green onions that we cut up. We have a little bit of our lime and then a little bit of our slivered almonds. We're going to add a little bit of our chow mein noodles to top that off, and then we're going to add a really nice dressing to this. It's going to be a real simple soy sauce, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of olive oil, and that's all that we need to flavor this salad up, and it's going to be the perfect companion to these zucchini quinoa burgers. Hope that you enjoy. Wednesday's meal is super easy as we feature a lemony orzo pasta with vegetables and chicken. Real simple, it's going to be a nice all-in-one dish for you. So all you have to do to get this meal prepped is to go ahead and start with some of your orzo. So we're going to go ahead and wait and cook our orzo the night that we make this meal. One thing you could, however, do in advance is to go ahead and cook your chicken in advance. So you could always buy one of the rotisserie chickens from the grocery store, or just simply get your organic chicken breast, and you can go ahead and make these the night that you're prepping, or maybe the evening before you go ahead and serve this meal. So that takes care of our chicken breast. In addition, we also have a little bit of our zucchini that we went ahead and chopped up. We'll be using that on top of our orzo. We have a little bit of our goat cheese that we'll be using. We have some little green onions that we'll be using. We have a lemon, we have a little bit of garlic, and then we also have some of our red pepper. That's everything that we need. We're going to go ahead and mix all this up, flavor it up, spice it up, and that's going to take care of Wednesday's meal for you. On Thursday, we're featuring a taco pizzeria, and what an easy dish as you start to round out your week. And there really wasn't even much to prep for this one. So all we have to do is just first start with our mushrooms. We're going to go ahead and get our mushrooms sliced up into some nice thin pieces, so we have those here. In addition, we're going to be using some of our turkey pepperoni, if you can find that at the local grocery store. And then we're going to be using some of our turkey sausage. And we're going to making this turkey sausage up. We're going to break it into some small pieces and cook this up a little bit, and it's going to go on top of our pizzeria. We're also going to be using some of our, you can either use mozzarella or you can use some low-fat cheddar cheese, whatever you have on hand. We're going to be using some low-fat ricotta cheese. We have some of our pizza sauce. And then lastly, we're going to be using some of our whole grain tortilla taco shells. So that takes care of everything that we need for Thursday's meal. It's going to be real simple and probably about 30 minutes for you to whip up. Enjoy. And we are ending our week with a really simple veggie and hummus hoagie. Wow, this meal couldn't be any easier to pull off. So all we're going to do, we're going to start with our whole wheat sub buns. Those are already here and ready for us. And then for the inside, we simply need a little bit of our provolone cheese. We need some prepared hummus. We have some garlic that we went ahead and sliced up, and then we're just simply going to add some veggies to it. And the veggies that we're going to be using some onions and a little bit of red pepper. We're going to saute all this up, put the cheese on it, put them inside of our hoagie buns, and that takes care of it. That's all that we need for Friday's meal. If you want to add an extra side dish, maybe a little bit of broccoli to that, feel free to, but that's all you need to complete Friday's meal. So hope that you and your family enjoyed all the 5 recipes that we featured this week, and we'll see you back again next week with more recipes for you and your family.